I'm going to explain the three three diagram. First one is the perfectly inelastic. I mean, perfectly inelastic demand, whatever the situation, doesn't care. When a family doesn't care about the price, no matter what is the price, the quantity remains fixed. Hey, are you watching? This is the quantity. Example, suppose one family consume 50 kg of rice in the context of Bangladesh, right? So the family will become fixed on the question of 50 kg of price, 50 kg of rice, whatever the price. If the price become 10, 20, 100,000, if there is a war in Bangladesh, Bangladeshi people never stop their eating rice. So the price will increase, doesn't matter. The family is steep or fixed on the question of consumption. What? Quantity consumption. This is 10, suppose 20 kg for a person. So this 20 kg will be consumed. So whatever the price increase doesn't matter. And this is called inelastic, perfectly inelastic. But this is another situation. This is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic, yes. If a company, if a state, if a country make, suppose this is 20 taka per kg rice. When a family get confirmation, oh, 20 taka per kg rice, so the family agree to buy 10 kg, 20 kg, 100 kg, 200 kg, 1000 kg. When a family is agreed to buy huge number of quantity, there is no denying, there is no frustration. Family is happy with the enormous quantity on a same price. This is called perfectly elastic. This is perfectly inelastic, and this is called perfectly elastic. Okay? But this is inverse relation. Hey, you know that as a student of economics, this is always price and this is always quantity. This is the inverse relation. If you increase the price, if the price is 50, the person will only buy 10 kg. When the price is less, the person will buy 20 kg. When the price is more or less, when the price is what? This is only 20, the person will buy 60 kg. When the price is only 10, the person will buy 80 kg. And finally, this is the relation. Hey, this is the inverse relation. If the price get decreased, people, the habit of buying also increase. Decrease, increase. Increase, decrease. What a fantastic relation. Have you understood? This is decrease, increase. Again, increase, decrease. Decrease, increase. This relation, and this is called unitary elasticity. Unitary means as much as the price increase, that much the habit decrease. So this is perfectly inelastic. This is perfectly elastic, and this is unitary elastic. Unitary elastic. Thank you.